Whenever you integrate with either Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, it will initially pull in all users. This includes the licensed users that you would expect to see, but also shared mailboxes, guest accounts, and service accounts. You do have the ability to scale back the number of users that receive licenses in Augmentt.
By using the import settings built into Augmentt, you can selectively choose which Microsoft 365 accounts get pulled into the Augmentt portal during your import. To configure the import settings, navigate to Configuration and then Employees. Select the customer account you wish to manage, and in the top right corner, click on Import Settings. From here, you can choose which accounts to either import or exclude from the import whenever you connect into Microsoft 365. You can import based on domain, or you can get more granular and import either specific accounts, groups, roles, or license types. You can also choose to exclude certain accounts from the import. You can go with the quick options to exclude accounts without licenses or accounts without any groups assigned, or you can manually select which accounts to pull in. Once again, based on role, license, group, or select accounts. Once you've configured your import settings, you will now see on the top right corner how many accounts will be pulled into Augmentt. And when you're ready to import those accounts, just click on the Import Accounts button. Once imported, you will see the full list of accounts that are now active in your Augmentt portal. And if you click on Ignored Employees, you can see which accounts were excluded during the import.
You also have the ability to manually ignore users in the Augmentt portal. To remove these users from your employee list, you can check the box next to the employee name and then select Ignore in the top right corner. You can also multi-select employees or filter by any of the columns. For example, if you wanted to filter out all unlicensed accounts, filter by license type, and then select the accounts you want to ignore. If you ignore an account that you want to monitor, you can simply go into the ignored employees list and unignore the account. Now that we've cleaned up the employee list, it's time to license employees. The Augmentt platform is one solution, but there are 3 core modules in Augmentt. You have Discover, Engage, and Secure. Each of these products is licensed separately, and you can tell whether or not an employee has licenses assigned to them to the far right of their name. If they have the license, it will be highlighted in either green, purple, or red, depending on the product. For Discover and Engage, you can license these products per employee. You can pick and choose who to assign the licenses to. The Secure module, licensing is tenant-wide. So as soon as you assign a license to one employee, it assigns secure licenses to all the employees in the total employee list. So you want to make sure that you've either done the import settings or you've ignored employees before assigning secure licensing.